Hey campers, this is a basic tutorial on how to use the flop ball that you were sent from HHC. Got a back flip, front flip, side flips, and if you're feeling extra special, do a little one of those.
Hey Lottie Home, it's Haley. I am here to show you guys what to do with the flop balls that we sent you guys from camp. Amar's already given some tutorials, so I'm just showing you some more tricks. This one is just flipping it back and forth between your hands, a couple rotations. Yeah. This final trick, it's called an around the world, and what you do is you're going to pop your flop ball in the air, and while it's in the air, your leg goes around in a circular motion. And this is what it looks like. Alright, so for this trick with the flop ball, we're going to throw it up with one hand and catch it behind our back with the other. So you can throw it up and catch it.